Hi, my name is Dr. Deb McManimon, and I am a business faculty at Riverland Community College, and I'm an instructor in our Flexpace Transfer Pathway program. This is a business program that was designed specifically for working adults so that you could work and go to school taking one class at a time in an accelerated format. And we also partnered with MSU Mankato to provide the final 60 credits of a four-year degree with a Bachelor of Business Administration. We are actually having an open house, a virtual open house for both of our programs together. And so if you're a working adult and you'd like to learn more about this program, we'd love to have you join us. This is our landing page. If you go to riverland.edu and then under academics, programs and Flexpace transfer pathway, and you'll see this program and some information about it to see if it's a good fit for you. We do ask that all of our learners are working adults. And if you have no credits coming in, or if you have some transfer credits, we can work with both of those situations. If you also go to the calendar on our homepage, it's already on May. And if you go to the virtual open house for the Flexpace program, you'll see a little bit more information. It's going to be on May 27th from 6:30 to 7:30. And if you click on this link, it will take you to the virtual open house. I will be there along with Heather Earl, who's another business faculty, and Dr. Kathy Ritchie from MSU Mankato. We'd love to have you join us, so feel free to come. You can come in your pajamas or you can come all fully dressed up. Either way, we'd be glad to talk to you and answer your questions about Flexpace and MavBiz Online, the MSU Mankato program. Hope to see you there.